Hey guys, still Monday the 9th, 2024. So these are accessory straps, the line 24, and it's basically going to a forearm accessory, leather accessory. So these are extension pieces. Customer said that it was a little too short, so gave me the custom measurements, and this is what we got. So I'm getting ready to send these out, and this is it. So it's a real just follow-up detail. I guess when I installed the accessory, which basically looks like, and grab it here. This is the template that it's gonna go to, and it's basically on a harness, 4-piece harness. So these extension straps, when it was slid in, didn't account for, I guess, some of the measurement that it slides into. I did a video a long time ago, about 2 months back, showing you it's kind of like a medieval blade that kind of shoots out from the bottom. So that's it on this one, guys. Real quick, short follow-up showing you the line 24 snaps and this leather accessory piece. Please like, share, subscribe. Lets the YouTube algorithm know that you guys like seeing my content, and it helps the channel. So Michigan Custom Craftworks, I'm out. I'll see you guys next time.